Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by cuvettes? So, let's get started. My friends, cuvettes are a type of vessel necessary for the precise spectral analysis of liquid samples. Generally used in spectroscopy, cuvettes are designed to hold liquid substances during chemical analysis. You know, cuvettes are small vials that may be made from glass, quartz or plastic and used for analysis with a spectrometer, fluorometer or spectrophotometer. The high degree of clarity and square shape allow for light to pass through the sample and produce readings with the instrument. What do you think? How do you use a spectrophotometer cuvette? Let's understand. I am giving you an easy way. Just open the lid of the sample chamber, insert the cuvette in the way that the transparent sights are in the east-west direction, that's where the light is coming from. There are two cuvettes holders, labeled blank and sample, so place them accordingly. Close the lid and do the auto-zeroing. Well, that's all we have for you today. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below. Subscribe to the button. Hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.